The Natural Stone Institute would like to present a 2020 Pinnacle Award of Excellence to Rugo Stone for Trinity Church, Wall Street, altar and chancel restoration. Trinity Church has served New Yorkers as a place of worship for more than 174 years and proudly served as a shelter from the debris of the World Trade Center collapse on 9/11. Rugo Stone was selected to dismantle and restore the church's Astor Memorial Altar and Chancel. The altar's mosaic panels, believed to have been created in the 1870s by acclaimed Italian mosaicist Antonio Salviati, are considered priceless, as is the Vermont statuary marble altar. Altar elements were cataloged using 3D scanning, then dismantled and transported to their studio. Artisans cleaned and restored the damaged pieces, as well as produced new columns and hand-carved capitals. The sourcing of Con limestone for the new rear wall was particularly challenging due to the original limestone being quarried in the 1860s. The chancel floor was completely redone in a bold checkerboard pattern with Olympian white Danby and Rosso Levanto marble pavers with 1/32 joints. Trinity Church is now poised to serve its congregation for another 170-plus years. Judges commented, "We appreciated all the detail and the difficulty in the historic restoration of this church altar, literally dismantling, restoring, and then putting it all back together. Really impressed with the detail and craftsmanship. This is a restoration project that you write home about. The amount, type, source, and representation of the stone is all worthy of an award." Congratulations to Rugo Stone.